So today we're gonna start off by installing the Z rails. And the first thing we need to do before doing that onto the frame is that we need to prepare these rails for installation. So because they come with shipping oil, we need to clean them off first, and then we need to grease them so that they're ready. So here's all the things that we need. We have isopropyl alcohol, and then we are also using synthetic grease. And we need to be really careful with these rails because we do not want these to slide off, because once it slides off, the ball bearings inside will fall out and it's really hard to put them back. So we need to be really careful with that. And the first thing we're going to do is we need to clean off the shipping oil on them. So we'll use the isopropyl alcohol. Drop a little bit here. Slide them along. And the next step we do is that we need to grease these. So so we're just gonna make inside the hole and then just grease. Okay, now we're gonna wipe off the excess grease. Okay, so we're done preparing the Z rails, and the next step is to put them on. Okay, today we're gonna put on these rails, Z rails, and the first thing that we have to make sure is that we put them on in the right place, which is on these four sides, the inside. So yeah, let's just get started. So we first think the easiest way is that we put the screws in every other hole, and then we can put these T-nuts, line them up so that it's easier to screw them on later on. Okay, the next step is that we put this on, and then we use the two 3D printed stoppers to hold them in place. And you should tighten from the middle to the end too, so it spreads it out better. But right now we're just gonna put the screws in. And the last thing we need to do is we need a I think it's a 30, you need to leave a 3mm gap between the rail and the frame. So the last thing we do is to measure that, and then we're good to tighten all the screws. Okay, now we can tighten the nails, and make sure to have these two things on because they will center the rail to make sure that they don't go sideways. And you should fasten it from the middle. Okay, this is one rail done, and now we just need to do 3 more of these. Okay, we're done with the Z-rail installations. Just making sure that all of these move along. Yep. Very nice. Now we can move on to the next step.